Hey everyone, friends, tuning in from Caleb. Today I'm going to show you how to change the sound for earning an achievement style-wise. For this, I've got my sound ready here. Yes, first we need to convert it to the WoW format. To do that, you'll need to open any browser, alright? And type in here MP3 to WoW. Get in, pick any site. I'm going to drag my file over here. I'll choose the WoW format and hit convert. We wait for it to convert. The conversion's done. Hit download. Great. You can delete this now. Here, and here's my WoW file. Next, you need to rename it to a specific file name, yeah? Desktop toast default. That's how you rename it. And then, accordingly, head into the Steam folder. To do this, you'll need to go into File Explorer. Yeah, to any folder there. Here we go. We go where your Steam is, into Steam, here in Steam. Next, we need SteamY. Next, here we need sounds, right? And here we have the file name desktop toast default. So basically just drag our file here and hit replace in the end, in the folder. So, and now accordingly, we need to go to this file's properties. There. And here hit read only and then apply. Then it won't update with the theme, and hit OK, and that's it. I was with you all, everyone, bye. And by the way, if you have questions, feel free to write them in the comments or message me on Twitter, the link for which is in my profile header. That's it, bye for now.